Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How can I change my Instagram profile picture without it posting on the news feed? Click on your profile logo. There you will see Edit Profile. Next, change the profile photo. It will ask you to choose different category files. Upload and enjoy.
Let's help you make your mark.
To do this, press the button above your post that looks like 3 dots in a row, choose the Edit option, and you'll be able to alter the caption, tag friends, and add a location to that post. However, you can't change the image itself after it's posted.
Take our lead.
Here is how it works. Find the post you want to hide. Open your Instagram app and find a post you want to hide. Press the 3 dots. Press on the 3 dots that are on the top right corner of your post. Select Archive. That's it. You're done. Now, what if you want to unhide the post?
Take our lead.
Why is my Instagram profile photo blurry? The most common reason is that you're uploading a photo with a low resolution that is too small to use. Make sure you're following the dimension guidelines and uploading images in a JPEG format.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.